What's happening, Scope Nation? Get ready for a whirlwind of updates because the news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and we've got the absolute must-knows right here, right now. From massive market surges to unexpected launches, strap in, because this is the Kanye Scope, and you're getting it first. First up, a major player drops a new crypto on Solana, causing a massive market surge and sparking insider concerns. What's the real story behind this explosive launch? Then we've got a deep dive into that very same crypto launch, dissecting the volatility and the hype. Plus, we're tracking major market movements, altcoin rallies, and the standout gainers you need to know. Finally, we'll break down another high-profile crypto debut and its wild ride. Stay locked in, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get into it. A new digital economy emerges. Kanye West, also known as Ye, has officially entered the cryptocurrency arena, launching a new Solana-based meme coin named YZY Money, YZY. The announcement, made via his X account, provided the contract address and a direct link to the project's website, signaling a significant move into the decentralized finance space. This venture marks a notable shift from West's previous public stance in February, where he expressed reservations about exploiting fans for profit and stated he would not engage with crypto projects. However, the YZY token is now integrated into the YZY Money ecosystem and is even featured on the artist's official online store, suggesting a genuine commitment to this new digital frontier. The launch immediately generated immense excitement, with YZY experiencing a rapid surge to a $3 billion market capitalization within just 40 minutes of its debut. This meteoric rise was followed by a sharp decline, settling around $1.05 billion by the time of reporting. On-chain data revealed a significant concentration of tokens among insiders, with 94% of the supply initially held by early participants. Notably, a single multisig wallet controlled a staggering 87% of the total supply before the official distribution, raising immediate questions about early access and potential market influence. The token allocation visually represented on Ye's website appears to mirror this on-chain distribution, with vested shares spread across multiple addresses. The project has attracted attention from prominent figures within the cryptocurrency community. Arthur Hayes, co-founder of BitMEX, was observed engaging in YZY transactions, and influential whale trader James Wynn reportedly placed a bet on a potential 4x short-term return. In a particularly striking event, one user managed to secure a $3.4 million profit in a single transaction, albeit at the cost of $24,000 in Solana gas fees, highlighting the high stakes and competitive nature of these early-stage launches. Despite the initial financial success and high-profile engagement, significant concerns regarding transparency and market manipulation have surfaced. Coinbase director Connor Grogan pointed out the substantial insider influence in the token's early distribution, suggesting potential unfair advantages for those with pre-launch access. Adding to the volatility, one user reportedly experienced a $710,000 loss due to an accidental transaction, but later managed to recover the funds. The project's extreme price swings and speculative nature have drawn comparisons to other celebrity-endorsed tokens, such as Donald Trump's Trump coin, which previously saw a rapid increase in value. At the time of the YZY launch, reports indicated Ye's net worth at $400 million, prompting discussions about his motivations for entering the crypto market. The token's initial launch mechanism involved 25 contract addresses, with one randomly selected to mitigate front-running tactics. Nevertheless, the project has faced criticism for its lack of defined long-term utility and the rapid liquidation of insider holdings, fueling skepticism about its sustainability. While YZY's initial market performance was undeniably impactful, the long-term viability of celebrity-driven cryptocurrency projects remains a subject of debate. Many such tokens heavily rely on social media hype and influencer marketing rather than robust economic models or tangible real-world use cases. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, Analysts will closely observe whether YZY can maintain its market presence or follow the trajectory of numerous short-lived crypto fads. Community discussions and social media sentiment reflect a divided opinion, with some users celebrating the innovative approach and celebrity backing, while others express caution due to the inherent risks associated with meme coins and potential insider advantages. The rapid rise and fall have ignited debates about the true value and long-term potential of such projects in the broader crypto ecosystem. Hold on tight, because the story behind this crypto phenomenon is far from over. Next, we're diving deeper into the wild volatility and the community's reaction to this high-profile launch. A cryptocurrency's roller coaster ride. Kanye West, the influential artist formerly known as Kanye West, has made a notable entry into the cryptocurrency sphere with the launch of Yeezy Money, YZY, a token built on the Solana blockchain. Announced via his X, formerly Twitter account, West shared the coin's contract address and directed users to its official website, where YZY can be bought, sold, or transferred. Early trading data from sources like GMGN AI indicated that the token quickly achieved a market capitalization of approximately $2 billion shortly after its release, signaling immediate investor interest. The official website for YZY Money positions the project as a decentralized initiative designed to empower users and liberate them from centralized financial systems. Beyond the token itself, the site outlines plans for an expansive YZY ecosystem. This includes the development of YPay, a proposed payment processor intended to handle both cryptocurrency and traditional credit card transactions, and a branded credit product. Despite these ambitious plans, the project's disclaimer explicitly states that YZY should be viewed as a symbolic endeavor rather than a formal investment vehicle, cautioning potential participants about its speculative nature. This move represents a significant departure from West's earlier statements regarding cryptocurrencies. Merely months prior, he had publicly dismissed memecoins as exploitative and claimed to have rejected offers to promote a fabricated YZY coin for a substantial sum. This apparent reversal, coupled with his history of unpredictable social media activity, led some users on X to speculate that his account might have been compromised. However, corroborating mentions of YZY on West's official website and online Yeezy store lend credibility to the notion that this venture is indeed authentic. Blockchain analysts have already begun to flag what they perceive as suspicious trading patterns surrounding the YZY launch. Reports from platforms like LookInChain indicated that insider wallets acquired YZY tokens prior to the official launch, with one particular wallet reportedly securing over $1.5 million in profits through early acquisitions. This early insider trading activity has fueled skepticism and raised concerns about market fairness and transparency. The debut of Yeezy Money has undoubtedly reignited the ongoing debate within the crypto community concerning the risks and the pervasive hype associated with celebrity-endorsed cryptocurrency tokens. The project's trajectory, from its rapid market cap surge to the subsequent concerns about insider trading, highlights the volatile and often unpredictable nature of this burgeoning market. Whether Yeezy Money ultimately proves to be a substantial blockchain project or simply another fleeting celebrity experiment, its launch has captured significant attention and provoked discussion about the underlying dynamics of hype-driven digital assets. Further analysis from blockchain observers has noted the project's reliance on community engagement and social media trends to drive its initial momentum. The rapid price fluctuations and the substantial gains reported by early investors underscore the high-risk, high-reward environment characteristic of meme coins. The contrast between the initial speculative frenzy and the cautionary notes from analysts and project disclaimers paints a complex picture of the YZY Money launch, emphasizing the need for due diligence and a clear understanding of the risks involved in participating in such volatile digital asset markets. But the story doesn't end there. The market is always moving, and we've got more critical updates coming your way. Next, we're shifting gears to look at broader market trends, including altcoin rallies and standout gainers identified by advanced algorithms. A meme coin's meteoric rise and dramatic fall. YZY coin, a cryptocurrency inspired by Kanye West's iconic Yeezy brand, rapidly ascended to become a sensational topic within the Solana crypto community. Within a remarkably short period, it surged to an astonishing $3 billion market capitalization, fueled by intense hype and widespread excitement. However, this meteoric rise was followed by an equally swift and dramatic crash, erasing fortunes in mere minutes. This token transcended the typical digital asset, evolving into a cultural moment that fused Kanye West's distinctive style with the burgeoning meme coin craze, a phenomenon where internet jokes can rapidly transform into billion-dollar gambles. While rumors circulated about Kanye West's direct involvement in the project, official confirmation remained elusive. The project initially hinted at ambitious plans, including the development of branded NFTs, exclusive Yeezy merchandise, and a stake in what was perceived as Kanye's broader empire. Instead, the launch evolved into an incredibly volatile ride, turning substantial gains into significant losses with a speed that mirrored the rapid release of a new Kanye track. YZY coin originated within the Solana ecosystem, marketed as a pathway for Kanye West to break away from what were described as censored platforms and embrace the world of cryptocurrency. With a vast supply of billions of tokens and persistent claims that up to 70% were reserved for Kanye himself, the coin quickly captured widespread attention. Social media platforms buzzed with speculation that Kanye's inner circle was secretly orchestrating the project, further amplifying excitement and driving up the price, which in turn transformed modest investments into considerable gains for early participants. One notable instance involved a trader who witnessed their portfolio balloon to over $1 million in unrealized gains, only to see it completely wiped out by a sudden and severe crash. Within hours of its peak, YZY experienced a staggering 92% depreciation in value. Large investors began liquidating massive holdings, triggering a cascading effect of sell-offs across the market. The market capitalization, which had briefly touched $3 billion, collapsed dramatically. In one documented case, a trader lost $704,000 within a 3-hour span as the token's price plummeted from nearly 0.027 to mere pennies. The journey of YZY coin was characterized by chaos and brevity, serving as a stark reminder of how swiftly hype in the crypto world can pivot from a dream scenario to a financial disaster. The turbulent events surrounding YZY coin were not attributed to random market fluctuations, but were significantly amplified by what is termed meme magic. The token's viral status was further propelled when Kanye West himself reposted a related account, instantly sending the token into widespread circulation. Following this, influential, smart money traders and influencers began to promote the token, attracting substantial waves of new buyers. However, underlying issues soon began to surface. Whispers of insider manipulation started circulating, with reports suggesting that large holders were cashing out at the market's peak. It was at this juncture that the flash crash occurred. Liquidity rapidly diminished, panic selling intensified, and Solana's notoriously fast network exacerbated the situation, transforming what might have been a gradual correction into an immediate catastrophe within minutes. Despite the chaos, some traders managed to identify oversold signals, such as bearish MACD indicators and potential short-term bounces suggested by RSI, and re-entered the market, hoping to salvage their investments. YZY crypto represented more than just a speculative venture. It was an attempt to leverage Kanye West's immense brand recognition within the massive $100 billion meme coin market. Built on Solana to leverage its low transaction fees, the project aimed to offer community rewards and emulate the success stories of tokens like Dogecoin, though it notably lacked long-term, intrinsic utility. This dependence on narrative and hype is a common challenge for meme coins. When the story falters, so does the value. For YZY crypto, problems manifested rapidly. Concerns about insider trading and a general lack of transparency eroded investor confidence, prompting many to divest their holdings. However, a segment of the community still holds out hope, with fans on various forums speculating about a potential comeback if Kanye West becomes more directly involved. perhaps through Yeezy merchandise drops or music NFTs linked to the token. The dramatic rise and subsequent fall of YZY crypto serve as a potent illustration of the extreme volatility inherent in the cryptocurrency market, where fortunes can be made or lost with unprecedented speed. It's a wild ride in the crypto space, and the market never sleeps. Coming up next, we're breaking down another significant crypto launch and assessing its long-term potential amidst the hype. A celebrity-driven digital asset launch. Kanye West, the globally recognized artist, has made a significant splash in the cryptocurrency world with the launch of his official memecoin, YZY, on the Solana blockchain. This digital asset experienced a meteoric rise, reaching a staggering $3 billion market capitalization in a mere 40 minutes following its debut on August 21, 2025. This unprecedented surge, however, was followed by a sharp correction, with the market cap falling below $1 billion within hours, underscoring the immense power of celebrity endorsements in the volatile crypto market and simultaneously raising red flags regarding insider selling and liquidity concerns. Despite this volatility, Kanye West is positioning YZY and its associated ecosystem, including YeePay and the YZY card, as a foundational element in his vision for decentralized finance. The initial launch of YZY triggered an intense speculative frenzy, propelling its market valuation to $3 billion in less than an hour before undergoing a significant correction to $1.3 billion. This extreme price fluctuation, marked by an initial surge of approximately 6,800%, followed by a 70% drop, vividly illustrates both the allure and the inherent risks associated with celebrity-backed tokens. The rapid listing of YZY on prominent platforms, such as Hyperliquid and MEXC, further fueled massive trading volumes, amplifying these dramatic price movements and attracting a wide array of traders. Concerns have been prominently raised regarding the concentration of YZY tokens. Data indicates that 90.38% of the total supply was held by the 6 largest wallets, sparking suspicions of insider selling and potential market manipulation. For instance, one investor reportedly realized a profit of $6 million within mere hours of the launch, while another individual suffered a loss of $710,000 due to an interaction with a fraudulent Kanye West YZY token, emphasizing the critical importance of verifying official contract addresses to avoid scams. YZY is envisioned as part of a broader initiative under the umbrella of YZY Money, an ecosystem designed to reduce reliance on centralized financial authorities. YeePay, a proposed cryptocurrency payment processor, aims to offer reduced transaction fees for merchants, while the YZY card is intended to facilitate global spending using YZY and USDC. The strategic choice of the Solana blockchain, renowned for its fast transaction speeds and low fees, aligns with the ambition of creating a mainstream payment system. However, the high degree of token centralization and the initial speculative trading patterns cast a shadow of doubt over the project's long-term stability and its potential for sustainable growth. Despite its pronounced volatility, YZY continues to attract speculative traders, largely due to Kanye West's widespread fame and the perceived potential of the Yeezy ecosystem. To mitigate manipulation, YZY incorporates an anti-sniping mechanism involving 25 contract addresses, with only one designated as the official contract. Furthermore, a vesting schedule managed through Jupiter Lock ensures that 70% of the tokens are controlled by YZY Investments LLC. Nevertheless, the significant centralization and early speculative movements continue to fuel questions about the token's long-term viability and market integrity. In summation, the YZY launch serves as a compelling case study in the potent influence of celebrity backing within the memecoin sector, driven by Kanye West's considerable fame. However, the extreme price volatility, the inherent risks of centralization, and persistent suspicions of insider trading necessitate a highly cautious approach from potential investors. With an ecosystem that shows promise but remains in its nascent stages of development, YZY may experience further speculative cycles, attracting bold traders, but demanding rigorous risk management strategies from all participants. The project's future trajectory will likely depend on its ability to deliver on its ecosystem promises and navigate the complex regulatory and market dynamics of the cryptocurrency space. That's a wrap on the YZY saga for now, but the crypto world is always buzzing with new developments. Stay tuned as we bring you a quick recap of all the top stories and how to stay connected with everything happening here on the Kanye Scope. And that's a wrap on today's rapid-fire news. We saw Kanye West launch Yeezy Money on Solana, causing a massive market surge and sparking insider concerns. We also dove deep into that crypto launch, dissecting its volatility and community reaction. Plus, we tracked major market movements, altcoin rallies, and standout gainers. Don't miss out on any of the action. Like this video, subscribe to the Kanye Scope for more exclusive updates, hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.